How to make milk tea. Easy golden milk recipe. This article explains how to make milk tea from turmeric paste. Turmeric paste is also called golden milk. Golden milk is an ancient Ayurvedic drink that is both delicious and incredibly good for you. How to make milk tea. Turmeric paste. How to make milk tea and why golden milk is good for you. The health benefits attributed to this drink have been widely studied. Antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antiparasitic, antibacterial, reduces risk of cancer, improves gastrointestinal health, purifies blood, clears the skin, aids memory and brain function, fights colds, congestion, headaches and sore throats. How to make milk tea. Easy golden milk recipe. The best part is that making golden milk is super easy. Especially if you make a golden paste ahead of time and keep it on hand for whenever you're craving some. This recipe is not only tremendously good for you, it's also deliciously creamy and fantastic. The original recipe uses whole milk, but you can opt for coconut milk. And it may seem strange that the recipe calls for black pepper, but don't skip this ingredient. Pepper is the secret to unlocking turmeric's 5 healthy benefits, as it enhances curcumin's bioavailability by a factor of 20. Curcumin is a naturally occurring chemical compound that is found in turmeric. The two words are sometimes used interchangeably, but technically the difference between the two is that curcumin is a chemical contained within turmeric. How to make milk tea. Turmeric paste. How to make milk tea from golden paste. The paste will be much more flavorful if you use whole spices. However, if you can't find them in your local health store, powdered spices will work as well. Ingredients: half a teaspoon of whole black peppercorns, 1/4 of an inch piece of ginger root, or 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1/2 of an inch piece of cinnamon stick, or half a teaspoon cinnamon, 5 cardamom pods, or 1/4 of a teaspoon of cardamom, 1/4 of a teaspoon salt, 6 whole roots of turmeric root, or 1/2 cup turmeric powder, 1/4 cup filtered water. Add more if needed. 3 teaspoons of coconut oil, 2 teaspoons raw honey, optional. How to make milk tea. Combine all the ingredients in a blender or food processor and puree until a smooth paste is formed. Add more water if needed. Transfer your golden paste to a glass jar with a lid. This can be stored in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. With the golden milk paste at hand, you can enjoy golden drink regularly without having to start from scratch each time. How to make milk tea from turmeric paste. To make the golden milk, gently warm up 1 cup of milk. When the milk is warm, whisk in 1 heaping teaspoon of the golden milk paste. Add extra honey if it needs it and serve immediately. I like my golden milk cold, so here is how I do it. I mix 1 heaping teaspoon of the golden milk paste and blend it with cold milk for a frothy, creamy, lovely drink.